Google built the most powerful AI chatbot on the planet right now and then forgot to give us the one feature that actually makes it usable when you are running a real business. I am talking about folders. Zero organization. Every single conversation you have ever had with Gemini just piles up in one endless scroll with no way to sort it, tag it, or find it later when you actually need it. But someone just solved this problem for free. There is a Chrome extension called Gemini Architect that fixes this entire mess, and I am about to show you exactly how to use it to turn Gemini into a tool that actually scales with your workflow instead of drowning you in chaos. My name is Paul James. I help creators, freelancers, and agency owners build profitable service businesses using free AI tools. And before we dive in, let me say this. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here's the problem nobody talks about when they tell you to go use Gemini. You start a chat about a client proposal, then you open another one for research on video hooks, then another for fitness routines, another for email sequences, another for product descriptions. Within 2 weeks, you have 70 conversations sitting there with no structure, no labels, and no way to jump back into the one you need without scrolling forever or searching through vague titles hoping you named it something useful. The tool is incredible, but the interface makes it impossible to stay organized once you actually start using it for serious work. This is what I call the infinite scroll trap. You get so much value from the AI that you keep coming back, but every time you do, finding your old work becomes harder. You waste time hunting. You duplicate efforts because you cannot remember if you already solved that problem. You lose momentum. And for people trying to run a business with AI, momentum is everything. Here is where Gemini Architect comes in. This extension gives you full folder control inside Gemini. You can create as many folders as you need. You can name them whatever you want. You can drag any chat into any folder. You can collapse folders to keep your sidebar clean. You can search inside folders. You can bulk delete old chats, and you can back up your entire folder structure so you never lose your organization if you switch devices or browsers. Let me walk you through how this actually works. Once you install Gemini Architect, you will see a folders panel on the left side of your Gemini interface. You can add a new folder by clicking the plus icon at the top. Give it a name. Maybe you create one called Client Work, another called Content Research, another called Business Operations, another called Personal Projects, whatever matches your workflow. Now, anytime you finish a conversation with Gemini, you just grab it and drop it into the folder where it belongs. If you need to move it later, you grab it again and drop it somewhere else. If you want to remove it from a folder entirely, you click the little icon next to it and it goes back into your main chat list. Everything stays flexible. Here is where things get wild. You can also customize the icon for each folder. So if you have a folder for marketing, you can give it a marketing icon. If you have one for legal questions, you can give it a legal icon. Small detail, but it makes scanning your folders way faster when you are jumping between projects. The extension also adds a search bar directly inside the folder panel. You type in a keyword and it filters your chats instantly. No more scrolling, no more guessing. You see exactly what you're looking for based on the title of the chat. And if you want to search across all your folders at once, there is a second search bar at the top that does that too. Most people never realize this part. Gemini lets you delete chats one at a time, but if you want to clean up 50 old conversations, you have to click through each one manually. Gemini Architect adds a bulk delete button. You click it. Checkboxes appear next to all your chats. You select the ones you want gone. You hit delete. Done. You just saved yourself 20 minutes of tedious clicking. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. This is not just about keeping things tidy. This is about building a system where you can actually leverage Gemini at scale without losing track of everything you create. Let me show you how this translates into income. If you are a freelance writer, you can have a folder for every client. One folder for blog research, one for case studies, one for email campaigns. When a client asks for revisions or a new project, you open their folder and instantly see every conversation you have had with Gemini about their brand, their tone, their past content. You deliver faster because you are not starting from scratch every time. If you run a consulting business, you can organize folders by service type. One for strategy sessions, one for audit reports, one for implementation guides. When you onboard a new client, you pull up the folder that matches their need and reference all the frameworks you have already built with Gemini. You look more prepared, you close deals faster. If you are building a content agency, you can create folders for video scripts, social posts, ad copy, SEO research, and competitor analysis. Your team can stay organized across dozens of projects without mixing up client work or losing valuable prompts you have already tested. You scale without chaos. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. You can also use Gemini Architect to build your own prompt library. Create a folder called Prompt Templates. Every time you craft a prompt that works really well, save that conversation in that folder. Now you have a searchable database of proven prompts you can reuse across clients, projects, and campaigns. That alone is worth hundreds of hours over the next year. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a real example of how this plays out. Imagine you are a freelance marketer helping local businesses with their social media. You have 10 active clients. Every week, you use Gemini to brainstorm post ideas, write captions, and plan content calendars. Without folders, all those conversations blend together. You accidentally pitch a restaurant idea to a gym client because you grabbed the wrong chat. But with Gemini Architect, you have a folder for each client. You open the gym folder. You instantly see all the past sessions where you built their voice, their strategy, their messaging. You create better content because you have context. You avoid mistakes because everything is separated. You deliver faster because you are not hunting through clutter. Here's what else the extension does. It adds keyboard shortcuts for common actions. You can map a shortcut to copy the last response from Gemini. You can map one to copy the entire conversation. You can create a new chat with a single keystroke. You can toggle wide mode, which expands the chat window to fill your entire screen instead of leaving those margins on the sides. And you can back up all your folder data with one click, then restore it later if you need to move to a different browser or device. This is the angle most tutorials never touch. There is also a feature that hides your location from showing up at the bottom of the Gemini interface. If you are recording your screen for a client demo or a tutorial, you do not have to worry about broadcasting where you live to everyone watching. Gemini still knows your location for results, but it just does not display it visually anymore. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You wake up, you open Gemini. Instead of staring at a wall of unorganized chats, you see clean folders labeled exactly how you think. You click into the folder for your current project, you pick up right where you left off, you finish your work in half the time because you are not wasting energy searching or remembering, you take on more clients because you can handle the volume, you make more money because your system actually supports scale instead of fighting it. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go high level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.